Welcome to day 27 of the Momentum Blueprint. And today we're talking about one of the most important skills you can develop in digital marketing, content creation, and online business, which is knowing how to structure a video that actually works. Most people struggle with video not because they lack confidence or knowledge, but because they don't have a simple framework to follow. They turn the camera on, start talking, and hope something lands. What we're going to cover today is a 4-step video framework you can use for your short form content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or anywhere people scroll quickly and decide in seconds whether to keep watching. This framework helps you stop the scroll, clearly communicate value, build trust, and guide the viewer toward a next step without sounding forced or salesy. The first step is the hook. This is the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video, and it matters more than anything else. People scroll fast, and they decide almost instantly whether your content is worth their attention. A hook is not an introduction. It's not your name, and it's not context. A hook is a pattern interrupt. It either creates curiosity, challenges a belief, highlights a pain point, or promises a clear benefit. For example, most people post videos wrong, and this is why they don't convert. Or if your videos aren't getting watched, you're probably missing this. Or here's why your content isn't turning into results. A strong hook makes the viewer think, wait, this might be about me. And that moment is what buys you a few more seconds of their attention. The second step is value. This comes immediately after the hook, and it answers the viewer's unspoken question, which is, why should I keep watching? In this part, you clearly state what this video is about, what the video is about, and what they're going to get from it. This doesn't need to be long. 1 or 2 sentences is enough. For example, I'm going to show you a simple 4-step framework you can use for any video to make your content clear and more effective. Or this is a structure I use to make sure my videos don't ramble and actually get watched. The value section reassures the viewer that their time will be respected and that there is a clear point to what you're sharing. The third step is the explanation or story. This is where you slow down slightly and actually teach or explain the idea. This part makes up the bulk of the video, but it still needs to be focused. The mistake most people make is trying to teach everything at once. Instead, you want to explain one idea clearly, using simple language, examples, or a short story. For example, you might explain how most videos fail because they don't have a hook, or how adding structure reduces anxiety because you always know what to say next. You can also share a personal observation, like how your videos improved once you stopped improvising and started following a framework. This part builds trust because you're not just telling people what to do, you're helping them understand why it works. The fourth and final step is the call to action. A call to action does not need to be aggressive or sales focused. It simply tells the viewer what to do next. That might be to reflect, apply something, comment with a thought, save the video, or follow for more education. For example, if this helped, try using this framework in your next video, or save this so you can come back to it before you record, or follow me for more simple content framework like this. Without a call to action, even a great video often ends with the viewer scrolling away without doing anything. This 4-step structure works because it mirrors how people naturally process information. First, you get their attention. Second, you give them a reason to stay. Third, you deliver clarity. Fourth, you guide them forward. When you practice this framework, you'll notice that creating content becomes easier, not harder. You don't need to be perfect, charismatic, or scripted. You just need structure. Over time, this framework also builds confidence because you always know what comes next. Instead of guessing what to say, you're following a simple flow that respects the viewer's time and attention. As you continue through the Momentum Blueprint, remember that progress doesn't come from doing everything at once. It comes from mastering simple fundamentals and applying them consistently. Today's takeaway is this: structure creates freedom. The clearer your structure, the more confident and effective your content becomes.